Alright, so this is your basic Smartsheet layout. You'll notice that I have more tabs than you will see because of my administrative privileges. However, each of you should see 3 representing your college. For example, we will use HHS. You have 2015 majors HHS, and then you will also see 2015 web and 2015 transfer criteria, depending on which college you're with. So we'll start with majors, and what you'll do is go through each major's title, the banner program code, and banner major code, and first check for any changes. If there is a change that needs to be made, for example, if nursing somehow changes to nursing management, then we'd like you to make the change, but highlight the text in red so that we can see that change. The same goes for any of the banner program codes or banner major codes. If you were to add a new major, then we would also like the text in red so that we can see where things were added. And then the affiliated banner code and program code and major code would also be in red for this new nursing management scenario. If for some reason a certain program is not going to be around any longer, then we'd also like that text changed to red and strike through so that we can see and note that change on our end. Next, you will check the term availability for freshmen and for transfers. And that's just as easy as just checking the boxes and letting us know. Smartsheet will automatically save, so you don't need to worry about that. Or you can come up here and hit the save icon, and that will send us the data. Next, after the major sheet, you will go into the the web or transfer criteria. And the web is pretty simple. It will basically give you the title for each of the majors. Now you'll note that if there are changes on the majors tab, then they'll need to be noted here as well. And you'll just click on the corresponding link and check out that page and go through the links and make sure everything is going well. If you approve, click approve as is. If not, check not approved, and you'll notice that you'll want to send changes to Kathy Hines. So if this is checked for any of the majors, then we will know that that information is coming to us. And we'll save and go to transfer criteria. Each college has a different layout for transfer criteria because of the individual complexities, but basically you will see a link to the general transfer criteria page, and then for many of your colleges it was as simple as listing your majors, the GPA affiliated with that transfer criteria, and any additional information. Again, please mark in red for any changes, and then red and strike through for any deletions. When you go to the transfer requirements, find where yours is at, and you'll notice that these should correspond with what is on Smartsheet. However, for some colleges, you'll see things like nursing, PharmD, Vet Med, and others that have quite a bit more criteria to go through. As with the web content, you'll scroll over and check approve as is, or you will not approve, and please email changes to Peg Weir, and please CC Kathy Hines, and let us know if you have any questions. We know that this is a little complicated, but it's as easy as we've been able to make it for such a large project.